Hi friends, welcome to Kiddo Kids. Okay, I hope you all had a very nice day and even I had a very nice day today, okay? So, what you have to do is call me at 0529611 So, now, let's start our show with the caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Kale.
Kale, how are you, Kale?
Fine.
Okay, so how's your school days?
Good.
Okay, so are you having your exams right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so how's your exams going on?
Good.
Good. Everything going good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, is there any guy called Arafat calling you?
Okay, could you repeat the name?
Arafat?
No.
Okay, he said he's calling you.
Okay, not to my senses, but maybe.
Okay.
Why?
Because he's my classmate.
Okay, he's your classmate, so he told you that, even I call Kiddo Kids, so did you hear me talking?
Yeah.
Okay, I had a guess.
Okay, we'll move on to the game.
I didn't hear you?
We'll move on to the game.
Yeah, okay. So which game do you want to play?
Atlas.
Atlas, your favorite game, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you start.
And America.
America, really tough. Okay, so with A, right? Australia.
Yeah. A.
Yes, A.
Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so H, right? So Hyderabad.
D. Dubai.
Dubai. I, India.
A.
A,
Austria.
Austria. A, Agra.
A. A for you. F.
I didn't hear you?
Africa.
Africa. A, Amsterdam.
M.
Yeah.
M is for. M is bit confused.
Many countries are there, right?
I don't know it.
Okay, anyway, no problem. It was a very nice game indeed, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway, with M you could have said, Mumbai. Then you could have said many others also, right?
Okay.
Okay, so anyway, I hope you like the game.
Yeah.
Okay, Nikhil, thank you for calling.
Bye.
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 Okay, so that was KL who called us, and anyway today we'll be having a topic that is Amsterdam. So today we'll be talking about Amsterdam, and today's topic is a place, right? So if I speak about Amsterdam when I'm talking in Atlas, many things like that. So today we'll be talking about Amsterdam in detail. So Amsterdam, where is Amsterdam located actually? So Amsterdam is the capital of the Kingdom of Netherlands. So now you understood where is it located, right? It's located in Netherlands, and it is the capital of Netherlands. A new information for all of us, right? It is the capital of Netherlands, and there are many, the main transport in Amsterdam is like, through rivers in the middle and all. See, now we can see a picture of such a river with canoes, boats. It's a beautiful mystical night over there. And the time difference is also very different from India, Amsterdam, many things like that. Okay, anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Oh, hi.
What's your name?
Johan.
Johan, how are you?
Fine.
So how was your day today?
Good.
Good. Okay, so what all did you do today?
So today I was actually tomorrow was our end of year program, so I was practicing.
Okay, so last year program, right?
Yeah.
So last day of school. So are you happy or are you sad?
I'm happy.
Why are you happy? Because school gets over or because you're getting bigger?
High school are not fully teachers. Students won't change.
Students won't change. Okay. So very happy indeed, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway, let's make that more happier by going to a game.
Okay.
Okay, so which one?
Do you have any game with it's like Atlas?
Connection game.
Then I'll play that.
Do you know how to play connection game?
No.
Okay, it's like, you know Atlas, right?
Yeah.
It's same like Atlas, but instead of places, we use things.
Oh.
Things, animals, like that.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
I'll
so
start.
yeah, okay, you start.
Apple.
Apple, elephant,
T.
E.
E.
No, now you have to tell with T.
T. Teeth.
Teeth, H. Horn,
N. Nest.
not yeah, N. Nest, right?
Yeah. T.
T. Tall,
L.
L. Lamp, P. Post,
Huh?
post.
Post. T. Train.
Train. Okay, so anyway, it was a very nice game, right?
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, Johan, thank you for calling. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that was Johan who called us, and anyway, we are talking about Amsterdam, right? So Amsterdam, I told you, it is it's there in the Kingdom of Netherlands, and also you can see the flag of Amsterdam now. Amsterdam is the capital city and most popular city of the Kingdom of the Netherlands. So it is the most popular city of the Kingdom of Netherlands because it is the capital, right? Even if when we are thinking about India, mostly we will think about Delhi because that is the capital of India. So now the flag of India, not a flag of India, this flag of Amsterdam is actually divided. You can see we just saw a picture of the flag of Amsterdam, right? So the flag of Amsterdam, actually it's divided into, you can see it's red, then it's black. So the flag is also very beautiful. So the flag also depicts many things. The colors depicts things like that also. The flag is really beautiful. Actually, you can see the red color, then the black, white, like that. So it depicts many things also, and also its status as a Dutch capital is mandated by the Constitution of the Netherlands, though it's not the seat of the Dutch government. See, I told you the main transportation is by rivers and many things like that. Now we can see a picture of like that one river, and the houses are also, now we can see the picture of those houses, right? They're really close to each other. So that is the specialty about the houses in Amsterdam. They are they all live in togetherness actually. Okay, so anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello. Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
Anita.
Anita.
Yeah.
Okay, Anita, where are you calling from?
Dubai.
Dubai. Which school do you go to, Anita?
Avron English High School.
Okay, so so Anita, have you called me before?
No.
Okay, so this is the first time you're calling me.
Yeah.
So what are your hobbies, Anita?
Huh?
What are your hobbies, Anita?
Sorry, what?
What are your hobbies?
No hobbies.
No hobbies? Why not?
I don't know.
Everybody has hobbies. So what do you do to pass your time actually?
I just play.
Okay, so which grade are you in, Anita?
Grade 3.
Grade 3. Okay. So Anita, can you sing a song for me?
I can't.
Okay, no
I
problem.
don't know songs.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, we can play some games.
Okay, let's play a game now.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you know about the games we have?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have GK questions, riddle questions, spelling, connection, atlas, sentence making and dictionary.
Connection I know.
Okay, so but connection is over. So what else do you want?
Atlas.
Atlas is also over.
I
We
don't
have
have any games.
GK questions, riddle questions, tongue twister, then we have sentence making, like that many games are there.
Okay, sentence making.
Okay, sentence making. So tell, make 3 sentences with the word butterflies.
I play with the butterfly.
Okay, I like playing with the butterflies. 1. Now you have to tell
Okay.
3, 2 more.
2 more sentences are there.
Hello?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so tell me one more, one more sentence with butterflies.
I said you.
No, but you only told one sentence, right?
Oh.
You have to tell one more sentence.
I like to see butterfly.
I like to see butterflies. Okay, so it is a very nice sentences.
I like to catch butterfly.
I like to catch butterfly. Okay, so 3 sentences. Very good.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Okay, so that was Anita who called us. She was studying in the 3rd grade and she told me 3 sentences with butterflies also. Very nice sentences. Okay, so we are talking about Amsterdam, and Amsterdam, the area of Amsterdam is actually 219 kilometers square. Very, really big, right? Now we can see one of the greenhouses in Amsterdam. Even Amsterdam is one of the biggest retailers of flowers from the world. So that's why we can see, they have many flower greenhouse glasses to protect their flowers, many things like that. And also, Amsterdam is a home to Vondel Park, the longest park in the world. So that, it is also home to the Vondel Park. Maybe we have not heard about the Vondel Park. It's a very famous park. It's a very beautiful park also, actually. So this is, actually situated in Amsterdam. Okay, so anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Tanya.
Tanya, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Thank you.
Okay, so Tanya, how was your day today?
Nice.
Okay, so Tanya, what all do you do? Now you have exams going on, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, so in the weekends, mostly you'll be studying only, right?
No, I'll go out also.
Okay, so what about the other weekends when you don't have exams? What do you do? Where do you go?
I go to my relatives' house and all.
Okay, so most of the time, it's with cousins and relatives and having fun.
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway, Tanya, you tell me your exams are going on. So which is the next exam?
Hindi.
Hindi. Easy?
Yeah.
Easy. Okay, so how many chapters do you have?
4.
4 chapters. Okay, so best of luck.
Thank you.
Okay, anyway, Tanya, let's go for a let's head on to a game now.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, which one?
What are we left now?
Now I have GK questions, riddle questions, spelling game, dictionary and tongue twister.
Okay, spelling.
Spelling.
Yeah.
Okay, spelling, right? Sentence making is over, but spelling is there. So tell me the spelling of architectural.
Architectural.
Yeah.
Okay. A-R.
Okay.
C-H-I.
Okay.
T-E-C.
Okay.
T-U.
Okay.
R-A-L.
That is the correct spelling of architectural.
Okay.
Okay, so very nice.
Thank you.
Okay, anyway, thank you for calling, Tanya. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, that was Tanya who called us. And anyway, what our viewers have to do is, you can note down information about Amsterdam, or otherwise you can, what you have to do is call me at 052 9611 333. And anyway, we are talking about Amsterdam. So Amsterdam is also a very crowded city. Actually, it is. I told you, it is a very populous country also. So Amsterdam is located in the western Netherlands in the province of North Holland. Okay, so it's located in North Holland. And now let's go for a caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
Aditya.
Aditya, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, so Aditya, how's school, how's life?
School
Everything
is
going good?
little tough.
School exams are a little bit tough, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so which exam do you have next?
Next I have math.
Maths. So how's maths?
Math, we have a lot of chapters in our grade now this time.
Okay, so many chapters, so better get started.
Yeah.
Okay, so Aditya, Aditya, what all do you do in your weekends actually?
In my weekends, what I do, with my family, I go out.
With your family, we all go out. What about other things? What all do you do?
Other things, I just, what I do is I just sit at home and then I just do something like watch TV, draw, and
Okay, so watch TV, draw, things like that.
yeah.
Okay, so anyway, Aditya, let's head on to a game now.
Okay,
Or before a game, let's go for one of Aditya's songs.
okay.
Okay, so song or game?
Song.
Song, okay.
Perry, you are a boy's best friend. You're more than passing trend. You're like a tree from a candy store. Oh, Perry, we love you more than ice cream cakes. We love you more than birds and snakes. We love you more than all the things mentioned before. Oh, Perry, you're extraordinary. You're kind of short and hairy. The color of blueberry. Yes, Perry. So come on, Perry. Come on, Perry, come on. Hey, Candace, why don't you sing one? Oh, Perry, I think it's a kind of scary. I can't find you anywhere. If it's me with this berry. Oh, Perry, I'm allergic to dairy. I'm gonna move to the prairie and change my name to Larry. Larry? I ran after rhymes, alright? Change the name to Larry, Larry, Larry. So come on, Barry, come on, Barry, come on.
Okay, so it is a very nice song.
Thank you.
Okay, so now let's head on to game.
Okay.
Okay, so which one do you want to play?
Hmm.
Now I have GK questions, riddle questions, connect. Okay, GK. Okay, so your GK question is, which is the most common disease in the world? Now I'll give you a clue. It's a little bit tough. This disease is actually non-contagious. It is, it can't be spread to others. Like suppose you have it, you can't spread it to the next person.
Does it start with E?
Not E.
Then with
Okay, anyway, don't you don't ask like that. You tell me the answer, then I'll tell you if it's wrong or correct.
Is it no? Is it a? I know what that's not. Is it flu?
Clue I gave you, it's not then.
Flu.
Oh, not a flu, not a flu.
Cold.
Not a cold also.
Ebola disease.
I didn't hear you.
Ebola disease.
No.
Then
Okay, maybe I'll give you the answer then.
give me.
The answer is tooth decay. That is cavity.
I learned that in my this time it is there in the exam.
Okay, actually, tooth decay tooth decay means cavity.
A bad way comes from the mouth. Some disease that's come.
Yeah, so that is that is the most common disease in the world,
Yeah.
because most people get cavity, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is the answer.
Hmm.
Okay, maybe a little tricky one, but now you know that information, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so anyway, thank you for calling.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Okay, so that was Atia who called us, and anyway, we are talking about Amsterdam. So Amsterdam, I told you, it's the capital of Netherlands, and also it connects to a large, number of canals that eventually terminate in the, in the river. Amsterdam is situated 2 meters below sea level actually. If suppose the sea level is maybe 50 or 60 like that, so Amsterdam will be 58 or 48 like that, 2 meters below the sea level. That's why there are many canals, that's why most of the rivers flow into Amsterdam. And also the surrounding land is flat, as it is formed of large polders. And also there is a man-made forest actually in Amsterdam. I'll be telling about that after we go for this call. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Yeah.
What's your name?
I'm Neha.
Neha. Okay. So Neha, is this the first time you're calling me?
First time I'm calling you.
Okay, Neha, where are you calling from?
I'm from Sharjah.
Sharjah. Which school do you go to?
Road English.
Okay, which grade are you in?
6th.
6th grade. Okay. So Neha, what are your hobbies?
I love ice skating.
I didn't hear you.
Sorry?
I didn't hear you. Could you repeat that once more?
Ice skating.
Ice skating. Okay. So where do you go for ice skating?
Outlet Mall, which is.
Okay. So have you gone for any lessons?
No, I don't go for lessons. I learn by myself.
Okay, you learn by yourself and you enjoy going for ice skating, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So do you most often go or sometimes?
No, like every weekend we go, like when assessments are not there.
Oh, okay. So, my favorite hobby is ice skating. So, do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have a sibling, brother,
Okay, which grade is he in?
grade 1.
Oh, what's his name?
Fadil.
Fadil.
Yeah.
Okay, so hi Fadil.
No, Fadil is not here.
No, okay, maybe he's not watching the show right now.
Yeah, he's not watching. He's sleeping.
Okay, he's sleeping. So, when he gets up, no, you can tell. Elvin showed him, hi.
Okay.
Okay. So, Neha, do you know about the games we have here?
I'm not sure about the games, but I saw a bit of them and I wanted to play tongue twister.
Okay, so you want to play tongue twister. So, the tongue twister game, tongue twister, you know how to play, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. So, your tongue twister is actually I eat eel while peel.
Sorry?
I eat eel while I peel.
I ate eel while peel.
No. I eat eel while I peel. Peeling oranges?
Yeah, so I ate eel while I peel.
Yeah, correct. Now tell me that 3 times fast.
I ate eel while I peel. I ate eel while I peel. I ate eel while I peel.
I thought you would go, your tongue will get slip somewhere, but you properly said it.
Thank you.
Okay, so anyway, I'll be hoping for more of your calls.
Yeah.
Okay, then Neha, thank you for calling.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so that was Neha who called us, and we were talking about Amsterdam. So Amsterdam, I told you Vondelpark is the longest park in Amsterdam, and also the man-made forest is known as Amsterdam's Bos. So this is the name of the man-made forest. So man-made forest, you must be wondering what is man-made forest. So actually man-made forests are forests that are created by man. Most of the things in the forest are like houses, like that, things made by man and not natural actually. But the trees will be natural. Trees also, the people will actually plant it. And a man-made forest is situated southwest Amsterdam, is connected to the North Sea through the long North Sea Canal. So this is the Amsterdam's boss. Okay, so anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's your name?
Asia.
Arthia.
ASIYA. Asia.
Okay. So is this the first time you're calling me Arthia?
No, yesterday I have called.
Okay. So how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, which grade are you in?
8th.
8th grade. Okay, so which school do you go to?
Modern school.
Modern school.
Yeah.
Okay, so where are you calling from now?
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi. Okay, so which is the native place?
What?
Which is your native place? Where are you?
India, Kerala.
Kerala. Okay, so I hope you know about the games here.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are your hobbies?
My hobby is to sleep.
Okay, your hobby is to sleep.
Yeah.
Very nice hobby.
What?
Very nice hobby.
Oh, thank you.
Well, a very unusual hobby everybody has.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so anyway, who all do you have at your house? Yeah.
Today my mother's brother-in-law came for visiting from India.
Okay.
So I'm so happy.
Very happy. So maybe your cousins are there?
Yeah, one small cousin.
Okay, small cousin. So do you have any siblings?
No.
Okay. So now you can go and play with that small cousin.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so anyway, let's head on to a game now.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so now I have riddle questions, then I have a dictionary, and I have riddles and dictionary.
Dictionary.
Dictionary, but do you have a dictionary with you?
Yeah.
Okay, so take it out in very fast time.
Oh. Nadi dictionary ഒന്ന് എടുത്തേ. എൻ്റെ ബാഗിലുണ്ട്.
Okay, so could you take
Wait a second.
Okay, so whom are you talking to right now?
My cousin sister, other cousin sister.
Okay, other cousin sister. How old is she?
Can I take another game?
Okay, so you take riddles then.
Okay, riddles.
Okay, so your riddle is: you slice my head with a knife, then you weep by my side when I am dead. What am I?
Can you say the question once more?
Okay, you slice my head with a knife, and then you weep by my side when I am dead. What am I? Do you have anything? You slice my head with a knife, and when I am dead, you will weep by my side. It's a tricky question.
I don't know.
Okay, so the answer is onion.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so I'll be hoping more calls from you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so now we are talking about Amsterdam, and Amsterdam is one of the most bicycle friendly countries in the world, and also and is center of bicycle culture with good facilities for cyclists such as bike paths and bike racks and several guided bike storage supplies which can be used for a nominal fee. And in 2013 there were about 1,200,000 bicycles in Amsterdam. Amsterdam has a very rich architectural history also, and the oldest building in Amsterdam is the Old Kerk, that is the old church. So that is at the heart of Wallen, consecrated in 1306. So 1306, that's a very long back time, right? So that is what we are talking about. So that is this the old church actually, and the oldest wooden building is also there in Amsterdam. And anyway, let's go for a caller now. Hello. Hello, what's your name? Minha, welcome to Kiddo Kids.
Welcome.
Okay, so Minha, how was your day today?
What?
How was your day today?
Nice.
Okay, so Minha, how's your family?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, so Minha, why don't you sing a rhyme for us?
What?
Why don't you sing a rhyme for us?
I didn't know.
Oh, okay, maybe you're not ready today, right?
I didn't hear you what you're saying.
Okay, can you sing a rhyme for me?
Huh?
Can you sing a rhyme for me?
One.
Rhyme, can you sing a rhyme? Hello. Okay, so anyway, let's go for a break now. So we are talking about Amsterdam today, and now stay tuned to Kiddo Kids.